Hello everyone, this is Nidhi Gill. Welcome to Sweet Magnolia. And here I am bringing you yet another home tour. This is not a complete home tour. It is just the living space that the client wanted us to work on. And that's what I bring to you today. Project छोटा हो, बड़ा हो. अगर हमने काम किया है तो हम आपको काम दिखाएंगे. For sure. Let's go. So basically, this was a very old house and it required a lot of work on the walls, the flooring, everything has been done. So the flooring was changed, new rods were added, we added new curtains and added some light points and worked a little on the fireplace. But then again, the client is going to be staying here not for a very long time, so they did not want to invest too much money, but at the same time wanted it to look nice. So we did not use stone as such, but stone finished tiles were used. Another thing that they wanted was that they wanted cool colors. They are very fond of. They don't like red. They don't like warm colors. They like cool colors, grays and blues. So, but unless a living room has to look warm. So how do you get warmth? You add plants and then you add lots and lots of lamps, and that is what brings warmth to your space. All the furniture was made on order. Each and every piece, starting from the side tables to the center table, the console, the paintings were made to order, the lamps were made to order. So basically everything was customized as per their taste and as per their requirement. And that's what we do. We always work according to what the client requires. And yes, थोड़ा सा हमें कभी कभी पुश भी करना पड़ता है to tell the client कि नहीं ये बहुत अच्छा लगेगा, आप try कीजिए. So yes, I have to do that sometimes, but generally 90% it's all what the client wants. So if you see, when you see the longer shots in the video, you will realize that it's a very longish kind of area, and it's very oddly shaped. It's not square, it's long and it has multiple doors. Entry door है, फिर exit door है यहाँ से, which is leading to the dining area. Then there are one door, two doors that you see behind me, which are leading to the bedrooms. So that was quite an issue, and so obviously when you have a door leading right from the living room to the bedroom, everything is seen, right? And curtain अगर थोड़ा you are not very particular कि नहीं draw हुआ, so anybody sitting in the living room can see all through your bedroom. So privacy was one issue, although we did put curtains on the outside, but we added these screens. These rat and cane screens we added, and now even if the curtain कभी-कभी curtain हिल जाता है, नहीं रहता है तरीके से, तभी it gives a nice view block and gives complete privacy. So anybody sitting here, one doesn't really have to bother. They can look all through the bedroom area, and your privacy is compromised. So that's the reason why we added these screens. So both the bedrooms. And another thing was I've left some space. I've left at least 3 feet space behind it. So in case somebody wants to move from this room to this room through the door, and there are people sitting here, they have no problem and they can just cross. So like you see in the background, these beautiful paintings, obviously I have made them, but I took inspiration from Pinterest, and yes, and I think they've come out pretty well. So I'm happy with them, and they are completing the look beautifully, and this is the highlight. So as somebody enters, this is the first view that somebody gets. And yes, there were some pieces of blue pottery which the client already had, and we've added some more. Like always do, I do not cover all the walls with stuff. So this one wall that I showed you with blue paintings, with urns and vases, so that was the main wall. And apart from that, I just have a mirror on another wall and nothing else. Except for there were these pillars which were looking very, very bare. So we've just added some blue wall plates. They're just On both sides of the entry door, I've used blue colored wall plates and added this nice ceramic massive planter, which is just adding a lot of feel to the room. And obviously, plants always give so much warmth to a space and also bring so much joy. So this is all about today's home tour. Not a home tour, actually a living room tour. But the whole idea was to show you my work, right? So nice, short and sweet it was. Thank you so much for watching. And for more such content, do subscribe to our channel and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you get regular notifications. And I am so grateful that you have watched till the very end. Thank you so much.